Good evening. It is Friday, the day before Half Pitch Fun Flight officially starts, and as you can tell, we are currently in the middle of a rainstorm. It has been going on for quite a few hours now, roughly started around 3 o'clock, and we've still got thunder and lightning in the sky. It's brilliant. Despite that, quite a few people are already here camping and setting up their tents, their caravans for the weekend, as they'll be staying. So hopefully tomorrow at 9 o'clock everything will go as planned and flights will begin. Please do stay tuned. You can watch all of our updates. We will be doing multiple a day on the YouTube channel, RC Helicopter Hub, of course. And we'll hopefully give you all the best news and good news, of course, with the event. So for now, let's just enjoy the show.